good day to you and every one of you. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thanks to Mr. Arizam for giving us the chance to take the research on atomizer spray gun, and I would like to congratulations to all of our team members who has already accomplished the task successfully and completely. First of all, what is atomizer? Atomizer is a device that emits liquid droplets into a fine spray. For an example, emitting to a liquid, water, or perfume. And in other words, atomizer is splitting up to the large body into small or discrete particle. And Bernoulli principle is perfectly works in these devices. Then, what makes us to carry out this research? Because as we know, in the market right now, the aerosol paint is quite expensive and it only have limited color to be choose. And if you want to have a better mixture of the color, which give you a better color, it must be very expensive. To solve this problem, we want to create a mini atomizer spray gun which allow us to insert our favorite color and mix them together and spray it into our project in order to give a better first impression to our audience and lecturer. Although the things is fully functioning and performing perfectly. As such, our ultimate goal on this research is to design a mini atomizer by using the Bernoulli principle that can be completely created with available materials at home, low costing, and able to spray our ideal color into our project that give a better first impression to our audience.
Hi, now I'm gonna explain about the Bernoulli principle. Bernoulli's principle is an idea of fluid dynamics. It says that as speed of the fluid increases, pressure decreases. This photo shows what happening in the air in the wide part of the tube has a higher static pressure than the thin part. For a steady flow, the amount of fluid entering the pipe must equal the amount leaving the pipe. So the fluid speed in the thin part must increases. When force acts over an area, it is called pressure. A higher pressure pushes the fluid toward lower pressure. So any change in the fluid's speed must be matched by a change in force. Bernoulli saw that while the fluid moved more quickly in a smaller part of the tube, the pressure becomes less. Therefore, the fluid will flow upward and mix with the air and exit the tube.
Hi, now I will start to assembly the mini atomizer by using bicycle pump. The parts that we need to be prepared is air tube with 4mm diameter, the soda can, the scissors, a straw, a hot glue gun, and a mini driller, and last but not least, the bicycle pump. First, we drill a mini hole at the top of the soda can so we can insert the straw into the soda can. After the drill, we try to insert the straw into this hole to make sure the hole that we drill is big enough. Then, we fix the straw at the hole by using hot glue gun. Make sure to come out a little bit on the top of the soda can. The pipe that we use is 4mm diameter. Now, we mark 5 cm of the pipe and cut a hole. After that, attach the plastic pipe onto it. So the DIY mini atomizer is done. First, we set the length of the outlet pipe in 5 cm length and adjust the straw to the max height. We attach the pipe to the bicycle pump, then keep on pumping the air and spray the fluid out. After that, we change the height of the straw to minimum and repeat the step. Now, we cut the outlet pipe to around 1 cm length and repeat the experiment. First is the height of straw is max. Then followed by the minimum height. Let's compare the result that we get. At the left side shows the experiment done with longer outlet pipe and maximum height of straw. It sprays more fluid but not perfect since it's not evenly. The right side is done with longer outlet pipe, minimum height straw, and it sprays very little of fluid. Then let's see the result when we cut the outlet pipe to 1 cm. The left side is maximum height and it sprays more fluid and is more evenly compared to the first one. However, the right side is mean height of straw. It looks similar to the second result, which sprayed.
In this task, the objective we conduct is manipulating the variables, which are the length of the outlet pipes and the ratio of the surface area for the top vertical tube connect with the fluid pipe. The objective is to find out the best way for the air atomizer pen sprayer to achieve optimal results. In our projects, we use two different lengths of the outlet pipes, which are 1 cm and 5 cm. On top of that, we also use two different ratios of the surface area for the top of the vertical tube connect with the fluid pipe. In other words, the distance of the vertical tube inside the fluid pipe will affect the result of the droplets. To achieve optimal results, the length of the outlet pipe should be as shorter as possible, so that the mixture will spray wider and the paint will coat more evenly. Then, the restriction at the center point is adjusted to change the ratio of the mixture between the air and the fluid. Since the higher the restriction, the smaller the surface area of the air can pass through the center point. Therefore, the flow will increase at the point and the pressure will decrease. So, the fluid will flow upwards and quickly, and hence the fluid is higher ratio in the mixture and outlet tube compared to the air ratio.
In conclusion, the project is functioned well as we expected. We can adjust the restriction area to adjust the ratio of the mixture. The air and the fluid depends on the situation. Therefore, this mini atomizer by using a handled bicycle pump that we built is work and can be used as a normal spray gun. Thank you for watching.